Hi there, this is Pritha and welcome back to my channel. Today, sharing this delicious duck curry recipe. Like my other recipes, this is an easy to cook recipe as well. We just need regular spices and coconut milk to make this yummy curry. So let's start today's recipe and let's see if you like it. I'm cooking in mustard oil. Temper with bay leaf, red whole chili, cinnamon, cloves and green cardamom. Then add some grated ginger. Fry ginger in medium heat and fry till ginger turns brown. Add some onion. Fry onion till it turns brown. Add the duck meat. Turn the flame to high. Fry the meat in high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. For this recipe, it's important to fry the meat well before you add dry spices in it. Turn the flame to medium. Crushed garlic, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander cumin powder. Mix it well. Add little water if needed. Fry the spices in medium heat. Cover and stir occasionally. When the raw flavor is gone, add some yogurt. I have added a pinch of turmeric powder and red chili powder in it because when you add yogurt in a gravy loses its color. So to retain the color, I have mixed little turmeric and chili powder in it. Mix it well. Cook till the raw flavor of the spices is gone. Cook till the spices turn aromatic. You can add some potato. Mix it well. Then add hot water. Add water based on your gravy requirement. Turn the flame to high. Let it boil in high heat for good 8 to 10 minutes. And when the gravy is well boiled, add some salt to taste. Turn the flame to medium and mix it well. Cover and cook till the meat is done. When the potato and meat is cooked, add coconut milk. Add some homemade Garam Masala powder. Check my Garam Masala recipe if you would like to. Cover and slow cook till you like the gravy consistency. I hope you liked today's recipe. You can check my other duck curry recipe as well. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this recipe. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.